Welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to save a draft post on X. If you've ever started typing out something you wanted to share but weren't quite ready to post it, this feature is exactly what you need. Saving drafts allows you to pause, come back later, and pick up right where you left off without losing your ideas. Let's walk through the updated steps so you know exactly how it works. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap on the plus button that says Post. This is the same button you'd normally use to start writing a new update. Go ahead and type out your text, whether it's just a thought you're jotting down, something you're planning to post later, or even a longer message that you'd like to fine-tune before sharing with your followers. Now, instead of hitting the post button right away, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a small X or close button. Tap on that. Don't worry, your text won't immediately disappear. At this point, the app will give you a choice. It will ask if you'd like to discard what you've written or if you'd rather save it. All you need to do is select Save, and just like that, your draft is stored for later. Whenever you're ready to pick up from where you left off, you can return to the same spot where you normally start a post. Your saved drafts will be waiting for you, and you can make edits, add images, or simply post it as is. The ability to save drafts is a small feature, but it's incredibly useful. It helps you capture your thoughts in the moment without feeling pressured to perfect them right away. You can brainstorm ideas, refine your wording, or even plan out multiple posts at once, all without the fear of losing your work. And that's all it takes. Simple, quick, and reliable. Now you know exactly how to save a draft post on X using the updated method.